Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials and take immediate action. Load a mid-sized flat brush and mix a working wash, about 20% paint to 80% water or medium, so it flows. Lay down large, confident shapes to establish composition. This is faster than refining edges. Use a thin wash to map values and color temperature because it guides later layers. Once the big shapes read, step back. Make sure tones are distinct. Adjust now while paint is fresh, not after detail work. Once your blocked-in underpainting is dry, you move into the middle. Refine forms by adding mid-tones and local color. Work wet on wet for smooth blends, but wait for dryness before applying thicker impasto. Alternate between filbert and round brushes to vary edges. This creates depth. Use glazing, thin, transparent layers to shift hue or cool shadows without covering under layers. Make sure to check values frequently. A small tonal adjustment now preserves luminosity. You finish by sharpening edges and placing crisp highlights where the light hits. This anchors the piece. Add fine details with a small round brush and consider scumbling thin, dry strokes for texture. Allow the painting to cure, typically 2 to 3 days, and then apply an appropriate varnish to unify sheen and protect the surface. If something goes wrong, don't panic. You can lift muddy areas with a damp rag while paint is wet, or correct color with a thin glaze once dry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.